Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and this channel is all about showcasing the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see someone who has platinum hair in the front portion of the hair, while the rest of her hair is dyed brown. Now this is a great option if you want to have a little bit of fun with your hair. This would look amazing with some curls. And then we do move on to the next hairstyle. So this one looks like it is going to be of a pink pixie cut. She has a beautiful rosy hair color. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give this one a like, and of course hit the subscribe button so that you never miss a hair video. Oh, the color on this pixie is absolutely gorgeous. So it looks like the stylist is doing some beautiful baby bangs with this as well. Oh, wow. So now that we got to see the final look, they put like a hint of purple in the bangs. That was a really edgy hairstyle. So the next one is going to feature a hair transformation. So far it looks like she's going to be doing the money piece highlight trend, getting the bangs portion dyed. Gorgeous, she went with this very bold green color. And then we have an everyday half up, half down style with this gorgeous ribbon and curls. And then we see a beautiful lavender pinky colored hair. So she has more of like the ombre trend going on with this, dip dyed ends. And she also did the money piece highlights in the front. Beautiful, well blended color. So if you guys have felt inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a like, and of course you want to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a hair video. I hope that you have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me, and I will see you in the next one.